Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the symptoms of a bad fuel pump. What is a fuel pump? Before we get into the symptoms, let's quickly review what a fuel pump does. A fuel pump is a crucial component in a vehicle's fuel delivery system, responsible for transferring fuel from the tank to the engine at the necessary pressure and flow rate for optimal combustion. There are two main types of fuel pumps: in-tank pumps, which are submerged in fuel to help cool and lubricate them, and inline pumps, which are located outside the tank. In-tank pumps are commonly found in modern vehicles and are generally quieter and more efficient, while inline pumps are more accessible for maintenance but can generate more noise and may be less efficient. You might not see it, but this little workhorse plays a huge role in keeping your vehicle running smoothly. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or just a curious driver, this video will give you the knowledge you need to keep your car running its best. So, buckle up and get ready to learn. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video if you found it helpful. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Let's get started. Fuel pumps are typically located inside the fuel tank in most modern vehicles. The functionality of the fuel pump involves creating suction to draw fuel from the tank and pushing it toward the engine, maintaining the required pressure for proper fuel atomization by the injectors. A well-functioning fuel pump is essential for engine performance. Failure can lead to issues such as stalling, difficulty starting, loss of power, and poor fuel economy. Regular maintenance, including fuel filter replacements and ensuring clean fuel, can help extend the pump's lifespan and prevent problems, making it vital for vehicle owners to understand its role and signs of potential failure. Symptoms of a bad fuel pump. Number 1. Engine stalling. Engine stalling is one of the most noticeable symptoms of a failing fuel pump. When the pump struggles to deliver adequate fuel, the engine may stall unexpectedly, particularly at idle or low speeds. This can create hazardous driving conditions, especially in traffic. Diagnosing this issue involves checking the fuel pressure with a gauge. If the pressure readings are low, it likely indicates a fuel delivery problem. Number 2. Difficulty starting. Difficulty starting is another common indication of a bad fuel pump. If the engine requires prolonged cranking before it starts, this could be due to insufficient fuel being supplied to the engine. A weak or failing pump struggles to provide the necessary fuel, making it hard for the engine to ignite. A fuel pressure test can help confirm whether the pump is the culprit, and checking the fuel filter for clogs is also essential to rule out other issues. Number 3. Loss of power. Loss of power during acceleration or while climbing hills is yet another symptom that may suggest fuel pump failure. When the pump does not deliver enough fuel, the engine may run lean, leading to misfiring or hesitations. To diagnose this issue, drivers should monitor their vehicle's performance during acceleration. If there is a noticeable drop in power alongside low fuel pressure readings, the pump is likely at fault. Number 4. Poor fuel economy. It can also result from a malfunctioning fuel pump. If the vehicle's fuel consumption worsens, it may indicate that the pump is forcing the engine to work harder than normal, resulting in inefficient fuel use. Monitoring fuel consumption over time can help identify this problem. A significant decrease in miles per gallon, MPG, without any changes in driving habits warrants a closer investigation of the fuel system. Lastly, the check engine light may illuminate in response to a failing fuel pump. The vehicle's onboard diagnostic system is designed to detect irregularities in fuel pressure or flow, which can trigger this warning light. Using an OBD2 scanner to read the trouble codes can offer insights into the problem. Codes related to fuel delivery issues often point toward the fuel pump as a potential culprit that needs attention. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more car repair tips and tricks.